Frozen sea, endless silence. This is not a tourist hotspot. This is the real Finland. Day 2 of my winter journey 2026. And this is my second stop, Bergön Lintutorni. Greetings from Finland. Today I'm at the Bergön Luontopolku, so nature trail. It's near Espoo. We have about minus 40 degrees and there should be a bird watching tower nearby. And yeah, let's see how it is.
Suuresta myrskystä tuli valkea pelto.
It's quite late in the afternoon. Sunset is in about 40 to 50 minutes. Yeah, but therefore we have a great light. I can see the bird tower already. So it was just 300 meters or something like that.
Ei puhu yhtään kaunista ääntä. Raastavaa mölyä ja piiskan lyöntiä. Raastavaa mölyä ja piiskan lyöntiä. Ja minun itkua.
It's super windy here, and because of that I had to put on my gloves, otherwise super chilly. I have the feeling it's getting colder every minute. The trail is marked with these yellow dots and it should be only 2.5 kilometers, but I guess I won't make it before sunset. What I really like on these little winter hikes is the sound of the snow when you walk on it. Looks like this trail is pretty popular because I've seen already about 15 people, especially one woman with a dog. She started to talk to me, Finnish, English, German, mixed it, but it was a pretty nice short chat. I probably have still 1.5 kilometers to the parking spot and it's getting dark super quickly. Okay, maybe there's a map. So the car is here. There's the bird tower, and I'm right here. Okay, maybe just 500 meters. It's cold. Need beanie. At the end of January 2026, I visited Bergön Lintutorni in the middle of the Finnish winter. The Luontopolku is about 2.5 kilometers long. It's an easy trail, very well maintained, perfect for a calm walk through forest and coastal landscape. No crowds, mostly locals. From the bird tower, we have beautiful views over the sea and the archipelago. A woman told me that in summer, with good light, you can even see Tallinn in Estonia. I'm not sure if it's true, but I like the idea. If you want something real in Finland, not a tourist place, you should definitely experience this. This was the second stop on day 2 of my winter journey 2026. Follow the adventure and subscribe. More is coming.